Hello all, welcome back. I'm Abhiraj, Senior Mobile App Developer at Sufalam Technologies. In the last video, we saw that how to create bot and set up sample utterances and responses. In this part, we'll see how slots works. Slots are basically a way to fetch input from the user, like a text field or an inquiry counter where you ask user what kind of coffee you like to order and we'll place the order accordingly. So let's start by adding a slot type. So we'll add coffee type. We'll name the slot coffee type. So for input slot types, we have built-in also and we can create custom also. In our scenario, we'll have to create custom because the coffee names are limited to our shop. So we'll enter available coffee types as our name for slot and we'll enter the available values. Mocha, latte, small, big. These are the 4 available in the shop. We'll add this slot to the current intent. We'll rename it again. And we'll add question. What kind of coffee you like to order? Here one more thing is that let's also provide a response card. So we can utilize that. So this will prevent user from typing and we'll give them a selection where user can just click on the button and select the option. So we'll just give the title, coffee types. We'll enter the values, mocha, and we'll select the value, mocha from the slot. We'll enter latte, and we'll select latte from the options, small, from the slot type small, and big. The one thing here to notice, in one response card, only 5 buttons are allowed at a time. If more than 5 options are required, you'll need to create another response card. So we only have 4, so we don't have to worry about that, and we'll just click on save. And we'll just have to modify this. That thank you for ordering. Order for coffee type is placed. Coffee types come from the year. We have just copied the slot name and we'll paste it in between the round curly brackets so that whatever input is given here by the user would be reflected here. We'll save the intent and we'll quickly build for quick testing. Let's start with entering sample utterance. A. You see, we are getting a response card here. What kind of coffee you like to order? Coffee types, mocha, latte, small and big. We'll go with mocha. Hello, thank you for ordering. Our order for mocha is placed. So you see a complete flow has been completed here. Where user entered hey. We asked what kind of coffee you like to order. User selected one and we prompted with a response that this kind of coffee was selected by you and we will place the order for same. In the next video, we'll check out how lambda functions are used. See, currently in this video, we have directly given a response, but what in case our responses are dynamic? So we can take help of lambda function for that and we can manage this response from lambda functions, the inbuilt lambda function given by Amazon. We'll check about this in the next video. Thank you.